Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch to creator account on Instagram. So if you want to switch your business account or professional account to a creator account on Instagram, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to switch to a creator account on Instagram is go ahead and open the Instagram app. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Click on menu at the top right. Now, on the settings and activity page, you just want to scroll down until you get to for professionals. Then click on business tools and controls. Scroll down the business page or professional page and then select switch account type. Locate and click on switch to creator account. Then once it's selected, I choose spot that says switch to a creator account. Go ahead and click on switch. Now hang on. After a couple of seconds, you'll be taken back to the settings and activity page. If you hit the back button, refresh your Instagram profile page and you see your account switched back to a creator account. So that is exactly how to switch to creator account on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.